December 10, 2025 in Paris, the Danielle Mitterrand Foundation awarded its annual prize to Kurdish municipalities in Turkey. Chairwoman Corinne Morel-Darleux praised the inspiring experiences of the Kurdish municipalities in North Kurdistan for equal rights, for women's rights, for ecology and for coexistence. The award is also an encouragement against the authoritarian drift of the current Turkish regime, she said. For the occasion, the Danielle Mitterrand Foundation had invited Serra Bucak and Dogan Hatun, co-mayors of Diyarbakir, Ruken Adin of the Free Women's Movement, Bisar Ijli of the Mesopotamian Ecological Movement, and Gultan Kisanak, former mayor of Diyarbakir. The very popular Gultan Kisanak was jailed 8 years by the Turkish government after the defeat of ISIS following their attack on Kobane in 2014-2015. She was also jailed 2 years in the 80s with Sakine Cansiz, the first woman guerrilla of the PKK, the Kurdistan Workers' Party. Sakine Cansiz and 2 other female Kurdish activists were killed in Paris in 2013.
Bugün bu salonda bu buluşmayı beraber gerçekleştirirken bir kişiyi ve onun çağrısında kadın yerine almak istiyorum. Sakine Cansiz.
Current Diyarbakir Mayor Serra Bucak focused on the importance of local administration.
1999 yılında yerel siyaset ayağında 1999 yılında Kürt Siyasi Partisi'nin Kürt illerinde belediyeleri almasıyla ve bu belediyeleri hakikaten halkın büyük bir inancıyla, büyük bir desteğiyle, büyük bir halk desteğiyle, aslında bu cümlenin kendisi çok önemli.
Many Kurdish municipalities have been replaced by trustees, administrators close to the AKP government party. Diyarbakir co-mayor Dogan Hatun concluded that in the past many artists and intellectuals like Ahmed Kaya have been forced to exile and the Kurdish language has been banned. In previous years, the Danielle Mitterrand Award was given to agricultural workers in Guyana, to peasants in Lebanon and to municipalities in Rojava. But who was Danielle Mitterrand? Danielle Mitterrand was born in 1924. During the Second World War, her family entered in the anti-fascist resistance. In the 80s, she created the France Liberté Danielle Mitterrand Foundation to support popular struggles. Kendal Nizam, the president of the Kurdish Institute in Paris, knew her very well.
Au moment de Halabja, elle s'est mobilisée comme ça n'est pas possible à toutes les chaînes de télévision et puis toutes les chancelleries pour dire qu'on ne peut pas accepter le gazage de toute une population par une dictature horrible qui avait beaucoup d'amis en Europe, y compris d'ailleurs en France. À la suite de Halabja, elle s'est rendue dans des camps de réfugiés, malgré toutes les réticences de la diplomatie, évidemment, le turc, mais aussi en France, il y avait quelques réticences. Elle est allée à Diyarbakir, elle est allée à Mardin, elle est allée à Mouche, elle a passé des heures et des heures sous les tentes pour entendre les témoignages. Pour elle, c'était très important d'avoir les témoignages de ces réfugiés.
Danielle Mitterrand welcomed 1,000 Kurdish refugees in France. In 1991, she met Masoud Barzani, and in 1992 she visited the Kurds again in Erbil and miraculously escaped an attack by the Iraqi regime. She met Subcomandante Marcos in Chiapas in 1994 and Fidel Castro in 1995. She also strongly condemned the abduction of Abdullah Öcalan in 1999. Her nickname is the Mother of the Kurds. Report by Chris Den Hond for Diyarbakir, Paris.